Boleh hambai jatuh sini media fans rokno. Tam nih malah seng TTDC kok borok teh other Indigenous Language Department ni luazimung bai seng kini 46 kok recognition day 2024 seng palanya thang tongo tabung kai seng lama himbotok khumulung yakli academy ni simi khumulung igopal jora seng himlainai Engkai boni ya kalau kara formal program nai, ini nih formal program inaugurator ngai payment payne, TTDC ni honorable chief executive member, barang barang Purnosan Jamatia, tai naroi okra hai ke chief guest ngai payment payne, Tripura Legislative Assembly ni leader of opposition, barang barang Onimes Daporma, tai Pandawa Asuk Hangnai sini TTDC ni honorable EM Education tai Cover Department ni borong barang Robindra Daporma tai joto borong barang EM song borong kai guest of honor tai special guest tongo sini chief executive officer tai borong barang local MDC Ganesh Daporma tai sini chief legal advisor tongo tai khorta tongo sini ex EM borong barang Sonde Rupini tai tini ni je kok borok recognition de manma salna palai thari sini 15 hai akaba kangsiba bijab sung tini karilai borok bo senior of phaibinai boni yagla sini je competition tongo mia to drawing competition kha abo tini result lui borno prize rijangnai boni yaglo sini koktang samani competition bongnai stage boni yaglo sini folk music college ni phrungnai juk tai phrungnai ro students borok resabnai engkai boni yaglo sini naroi ro kokam khanarnai engkai paithago sung awan bang rok chalainai ai khlai sung tini sini kokbrok recognition de manma salna sung palainai hambai
bo school thai thai tini oro manjak
boleh hambai sungoro or tabok yakli academy ni student tongo tai khumpu academy ni student tongo engkai ekalabya residential school ni tongo tai chei sasa academy ni student ongna tui abono kari machine no officer rok tongo tai phungnai jigrok bo tongo tai ok khumulung inspectorate under ni je TTDC ni je staff teacher rok borok participant khai to